Hey folks, all right, Tuesday morning, we're an hour out from the open. Little movement in the markets overnight, flat across the board. Big news today, we had the RBA, the Royal Bank of Australia meeting that came out last night. Bit of a dovish tone there. We're seeing that Aussie dollar weaker on that news, trading right around spot 74, down nearly 0.7%. So some big moves in that currency. You're seeing dollar strength across the board in a basket of other currencies as well. Strength against the euro, strength against the British pound. We have the Fed kicking off its two-day meeting today. Tomorrow afternoon, we'll get that policy announcement. Again, remember, we're looking for some sort of announcement, or at least it's expected with this meeting, that they begin to taper that bond buying program. We've also got Bank of England coming out on Thursday, and then on Friday, we've got the big jobs report for October. So again, a lot of catalysts this week that could potentially shake these markets up. Little action in the stock market right now, little action in oil. Again, Fed two-day meeting kicking off today. Let's get ready, strap in, trade some price action. I'll see you folks again tomorrow.